Hello guys, if you have time today for 12 minutes, then please stay here and invest it into your movement, into your health, into your body, and try out this 12-minute lower body HIIT workout. It's 12 different exercises designed to cover all our lower body muscles. And yeah, I hope we all feel great afterwards, and let's do this together.
do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. Regrets, girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Take my hand, and we don't need to do the things we don't wanna do.
Guys, you did it. If you enjoyed this workout, I would be super thankful if you subscribe. I looked the other day and 70% of all my YouTube watchers are non-subscribers, so if you like this video, I would be super thankful if you take 2 seconds and click on the subscribe button. This will help me a lot to keep producing more videos, and thanks so much. Have a great day and hopefully see you soon. Bye!